Today is the last day of our 41st National Assembly and the 39th Congress. We have just finished the national election for the national president, and it is the first ever that had happened after the pandemic in Cagayan de Oro to have a national event in Cagayan de Oro. And of course, the city tourism and the city of Cagayan de Oro is very much excited, right, Kuya Councilor? And today, we would like to welcome everyone from all over the country. Welcome to Cagayan de Oro and to the 41st National Assembly and 39th Congress Gabi ng Agila President's Night. Mabuhay Agila!
Thank you for your time, all regional governors present from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. In God's willing, we hope and pray that the pandemic will finally come to an end and that we Eagles shall continue to soar high again. We gathered here because of our obligation and commitment to our beloved fraternity. We might have different views with each other, but at the end of the day, we do not condemn our fellow kuya and yields to the decision of the majority.
I state your name.
I,
Having duly elected to the position of National President
having duly elected to be the National President
of the Eagle Year 2021
in the Eagle Year 2021
of the Fraternal Order of Eagles,
Fraternal Order of Eagles,
Philippine Eagles,
Philippine Eagles,
subscribing to
the
Eagles Magna Carta
the Eagles Magna Carta
of the Philippine Eagles,
of the Philippine Eagles,
and I shall consciously uphold
and I shall consciously uphold
at all times
the
the Eagles Delicadeza
Eagles Delicadeza
and moral code of ethics
and moral code of ethics
as the ultimate measure
as the ultimate measure
of my conduct and judgment
of my conduct and judgment
relative to my dealings with my club,
with
with the national fraternity,
the national fraternity,
and with my fellow Eagles.
and with my fellow Eagles.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Kaya pumasok tayo ng Agila para tumulong sa nangangailangan. Hindi natin kailangan yung kuya natin, ano ba yung tawag yun? Yung tayo ang mamimera. Yan ang tunay na Agila. Kaya mga ate, mga iba-ibang lugar, maraming salamat po. Mabuhay Agila! Mabuhay tayong lahat!
We have had just concluded our 41st National Assembly and 39th National Congress. As we return to our respective regions and clubs, please inform your members that the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, has again successfully concluded an activity which every Eagle must be proud of despite the threats of COVID. God bless us all. God bless the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. Mabuhay ang Agila!
And I can see the dawn. just begun. A new home, a new way is on the
Chairman of
horizon.
our organization, Egel Tus.
We're making
Cheers.
the world a better place. One person at a time.
By virtue of the power vested in me as newly elected National President of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, I hereby this Gabi ng Agila, President Night, adjourn.
Change the world.